Welcome guys, we got the Foam Buddy system here. We're going to run through a couple things about it real quick. The main reason that this was created is because some of the big rigs are very expensive to have them come out and insulate your home. This is a much more affordable, smaller, portable, low pressure system. The project scope is to improve some of the previous Foam Buddy prototypes, and again build a low pressure system that's much more cost effective for end users and contractors as well. Some of the key specifications are that it must have an adjustable output ratio. Most of the two component systems will require a 1-to-1 output ratio, and there's many different variables including temperatures and pressures that will change the flow. So you must have an adjustable output. We're aiming for 0.25 to 0.65 gallons per minute. We're aiming for less than 50 pounds total, not including the material buckets. And then again, aiming for less than $2,000 for the machine itself. So we'll do a quick demonstration here. So the first thing you're going to do is connect your hose to the two output terminals. You'll put your two batteries in and make sure you have your input hoses connected to the dip tube with your desiccants. You'll flip the two switches on, adjust your output ratios, and then you can just spray. Shuts off right when you let go of the trigger. And then there you have it for a quick demonstration of the Foam Buddy.